I'm Sandiata.
And I'm Shantia.
Wait a minute.
I think we got that
doesn't
mixed up.
sound right. I'm Shantia.
And I'm Sandiata.
And we are SD Squared.
Welcome to our channel where we tackle DIY projects and home renovation. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. And if you're returning, welcome back.
So, we've got some news.
Yeah.
We're throwing a party.
Oh, yeah.
So, with this party, what is the vibe? What's the energy? What are we going for here?
I think we're going to go for something a little bit whimsical, a little bit magical.
A little strange.
Yeah, a little bit bizarre.
Yeah, okay, cool. The theme of our party is...
Drum roll, please.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Alice in Wonderland. So before we get started with all of these projects that we have for the party, we have to create a space. So we're going to first start off with what?
Clearing out the garage.
Yeah, so we got a lot of work in the garage. So much work.
Yes. It's currently in disorder because we've just packed a lot of the things in there.
It's like a catch-all for like seasonal items.
Yeah,
like
miscellaneous.
Like, who knows? Where did I buy this? What year was it?
And so we're going to take the process to go and clean out the garage, organize some things, and create a space so we can tackle some of these projects.
And we're going to take you guys with us really quickly, though. So go ahead. Cue the footage. Here's the garage starting out in all of her chaotic glory. So before we decide how we're going to organize things, we first have to see what we have, what we need to keep, what needs to be thrown out. Sunday removed all of these items, sat them on the front lawn, and kind of took stock of what we had and what needed to go where. After this process was done, he swept and cleaned out the spider webs. I think he found quite a few spiders in there. And about 37 minutes later, it was all cleaned out and ready to organize. So we got these bins from Walmart and one by one started to bring things back in and organize them into their respective bins. A great part about getting the garage cleaned out now is that it's going to make it easier, especially with some of our Christmas decorations and other holidays, to know where everything is. We also have quite a bit of art supplies too that we can use for future projects, such as our Cricut machine, those little tabs that you see Sunday use, and some other accessories for filming. Once we had everything organized, we stacked the bins and we put them opposite of our workstation. We set up these large tables so that we would have a sturdy place to work at. Now it's time to get started with our projects. Now the garage is cleaned out, we have to do a little bit of shopping. So we're gonna probably do a lot of shopping.
A lot of back and forth.
Yeah. So we might even get a shopping count. What is it?
A shop count.
Shop count, yeah.
Well, more like store
Can you
count.
sketch my back right here?
I got you.
No, to the right. Oh, right there. Thank you.
Bit.
Did I? No, don't tell me that. Because then it's
Okay,
going to get 10 times itchier. What is on me?
So we're going to go ahead and get some shopping done in order to get some of the crafting material we need for our projects.
Okay, so we'll be back. All of them. Hey guys.
What up?
So we just came from Dollar Tree. With the exception of a couple of snacks and a drink, we spent $28.70.
Not bad.
So
Not a bad haul.
I can't really show it, but we'll show it. We'll put a picture. But yeah, so now we're headed to
What a world!
Walmart. My least favorite place to go, but anyways, we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Dance. Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go. Sunday, don't toss it.
I'm short. There's two pound in here.
Oh. Ow!
Are you sparring or what?
Sunday, you actually hit me.
Of course. I thought you said you wanted to spar. Don't got some pool noodles. We actually got them really cheap at Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Boom, boom.
Not as cheap as they used to be.
Yeah.
But you can't hold it again, huh?
50 cents or something?
No, these were $1.25. It says it on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Ain't that crazy?
Adding them quarters up.
That's crazy. You'd be like, how much is my total? And it's so much more of a difference. I swear it is. If you've been to Dollar Tree, you already know. Anyways, we got these pool noodles. And I've actually never seen... Sunny, why are you throwing that?
I was going to throw all of our stuff off screen.
No, can you not throw our stuff? Did you see the baby shower videos?
Like, dude, calm down.
Chill out. Do you love her or what?
I'm gonna pop this balloon. It's like,
there's a baby behind there. Wild. Anyways, so we got some foam.
Yeah, we're gonna try to, well, not try. We are going to create some mushrooms out of this, shape it, and I think it'll be very cool. If you remember our theme, maybe you guess what we're gonna do here. But I think it's gonna be pretty cool.
Put it in the comments what you guys think we're gonna use these for. Actually, we got a lot of uses, but
that's one of them.
That's probably the main one, I think. Because we're gonna need several more, actually.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you juggle with these?
Let's see.
Okay, don't break anything, okay?
Well, if you're not trying, it's not breaking anything.
Things around here. Oh, you're so good.
I don't know about so good. I only got a couple in.
What?
Do you think I couldn't juggle?
I can't juggle.
You can juggle?
Why are you holding? No, why are you gonna do that? You remember that episode? Was it? I forget. It was a kid's show where he was like, she can't whistle, and the other kid is just like, I can whistle. Wait, you really can't? Ooh. Sonny, no, I can't. I can't believe you can do that.
We'll practice.
That's crazy. Yo, you learned something new. How come you don't? If I could juggle, I'd just be walking around. I would just be juggling all over the place if I could juggle.
Yeah.
That's such a skill. We got greens, beans. Let me service you.
Okay.
Okay. Let me service you.
Are you gonna service me or not? Can I grab the stuff? You hold it. You say you servicing me.
Oh, you're right.
All right. Mask.
Mask for safety.
Always PPE.
And some more glue, some more sticky stuff.
Super adhesive. E6000.
That stuff is good stuff. These
pop sticks.
Honestly, I just feel like you always need those. You can stir things with them. Right. You can make things with them.
And if you're really hungry, you can use them for a snack.
I don't think you should do that. Oh. Wow. Don't do that, okay?
Crafting square.
Okay, so...
Do we have any ideas for this?
No. I thought it was cute.
Fair enough.
Okay. And then we got circular objects for things. Circular objects. And... oh no.
Broken circular objects.
So I think that concludes our haul.
For now.
For now, we are going to get a store counter because we will be at the store.
Thanks guys for joining us and clearing out the garage and doing a little bit of shopping and getting this party started. So
we're going to be back in our next video and we're going to be starting our projects.
Yeah. If you are interested in continuing following our journey, please.
Of course they're interested in continuing to follow our journey.
Why wouldn't you be?
Why wouldn't you be?
Please like and subscribe this video.
Turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single thing.
And if you have any comments on ideas of what we can add to our party,
feel free to drop those down in the comments section below.
Yep.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, guys. Well.
Thank you for watching. I'm Shantia.
I'm Sundiata.
And we're at... oh. I'm sorry. No, that was my bad.
Kiss to clear your mind.
Okay. I hardly clears my mind.
Thanks again, guys. I'm Sundiata.
And I'm Shantia.
SD out.